Dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions, but there's one additional step. To divide, you must first find the reciprocal, or flip over the second fraction and change the division sign to multiplication. This is called multiplying by the reciprocal. For example, here we have 1/4 divided by 3/4. First, flip the second fraction. 3/4 now becomes 4/3. This new fraction is the reciprocal of the original. Then change the division sign to multiplication. Next, continue as if you were multiplying. Multiply the numerators straight across the top to get 4, and the denominators straight across the bottom to get 12. Finally, simplify the answer to 1/3. Here's another example. 3/4 divided by 3/8. First, find the reciprocal, which is 8/3, and change the division sign to multiplication. Then multiply straight across the top to get 24 and straight across the bottom to get 12. Finally, simplify and get 2/1, which reduces to 2.